Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountrysweetcottage.net. So today I have two printable cards for you. So these cards are amazing because they're coloring pages. So you can print them out, have your kids color them or color them yourself, and then send them to someone that might need a pick-me-up. So our two options are Stay Cool, because we all need to stay cool right now, and also I love you more than cupcakes. That is a lot. So if anyone needs a reminder of how much you love them and how much you care, this is definitely the card for you. So if you have kids at home, let's take a look at the cards and what to do with them when you print them out. So first we're going to take our printable and cut the cards out with just a pair of scissors. And I've included cut lines so you can cut them easily. And then you can just color away on your cards. Colored pencils, markers, whatever you want to use works. Then once the coloring is complete, you'll just want to fold them in half and send them to someone that needs a little pick-me-up. Alright, so super simple. Print your cards, cut and color, fold and send. 3 easy steps to cards that someone will absolutely adore because you colored them yourself or the kids colored them. So print the cards today, 2 different options, and I have something extra special for you. So I'm going to drop a link in the description below. You can click on it and you can see even more ideas with cards, including more printable cards that you can send to family and friends during this time. So if you're struggling right now, need something to do, need somewhere to channel your kids' energy, cards are a perfect way to do so. You can color them, send them in the mail, and I actually have a link to an article in the blog post that it's okay to send cards during this time. So if you want to check that link out as well. If you feel like maybe it's not, then you can absolutely just color them and then send them later, like 14 days later or something like that. So if you're concerned at all, you can absolutely do that. So I'll drop those links below in the description. Can't find them? Drop a comment. Have a question about anything? Drop a comment. There will be a link below for where to download these, for where to get more downloads, as well as the link I talked about that says it's okay to send cards during this time. So if you have anything else you need, just drop a comment below. You might also want to head on over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button because we have crafty videos every week and you don't want to miss any of those. If you would, also give us a thumbs up if you like this video and love these cute cards. So thanks y'all for joining me and I will see you next week. Bye bye.